The common starling is really anything but. It used to be one of our most common urban birds. Like a lot of other introduced birds, it did really well in our industrial cities and our English type gardens. A lot of people dismiss the starling because it's an introduced bird, but it's also a very easily confused bird with a few other species because the starling has several types of plumage. They have a summer plumage where their bill goes yellow and they get a lot of bright iridescence, and they also have a winter plumage which is less shiny, and they also have an immature plumage where the birds are brown. Now this can cause lots of confusion, and we find that people mistake starlings for a lot of native bush birds like brown tree creepers or some of the wood swallows. And the adult starlings too, especially in breeding plumage when they have a yellow bill, they can get confused for the blackbird. But the blackbird is a bird that usually feeds on the ground and is close to bushes. The starling will feed out on the ground, but they tend to roost up in the trees, and their calls are very different. Starlings have a sort of very metallic, trilling kind of song that is also a few churs and occasionally a bit of mimicry. Whereas the blackbird has the famous, quite beautiful, melodious call that Paul McCartney decided to copy. So watch it when you see a starling in the city because they can be deceptively tricky.